Sai Sharvanand, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Start reading.
We have seen animals with two eyes.
You keep your this. Wait. You keep your this near to you. This audio. What you are using now? One show.
Nothing, sir.
Keep your mic near to you. Mic.
Okay, sir.
చదువు నువ్వు చదవాలి మీ సార్ వింటారా చదువు మా దగ్గర
Yes, start reading fast. Okay, read loudly.
We have seen animals with two eyes, but we not seen animals with three eyes. Have we? There is a strange animal with three eyes named Sphenodon punctatus.
Sphenodon punctatus.
Sphenodon
Punctatus.
punctatus.
Okay, read fast.
Punctatus. It has the shape of lizard, but the inner structure of its body is just the opposite of that of a lizard. These animals are found only in the
Tatwara Islands of New Zealand.
Islands of New Zealand. The strange thought in the animals is in the shape of a cone. This eye is called the pineal eye.
Pineal eye. Okay, read
Pineal
fast.
eye. It is situated in the hole between the head and the neck. It is of no use for the sphenodon of these animals. All well-grown male animals weigh 8 kilograms, while the female animals weigh half a kilogram. This animal lives for about 100 years.
Okay, very good. You read well. Okay. Next, Komal. Start reading.
Good evening.
Yes, read. Read fast.
From first to sir.
Yes, from first.
We have seen animals with two eyes, with two eyes, but we have not seen animals with three eyes, have we? There is a strange animal with three eyes named Sphenodon
punctatus.
Sphenodon punctatus. It has the shape of the lizard, but the inner state of its body is just the opposite of that of a lizard. These animals are found only in the Travelers Islands of New Zealand.
Tatwara Islands of New Zealand.
That same third eye in the animals is in the shape of a cone. This eye is called the pineal
eye.
Pineal eye. It is situated the hole between the head and the neck. It is of no use for the sphenodon of these animals. As well-grown male animal weighs 8 kilogram, while the female animal
weighs half a kilogram.
Weighs half a kilogram. These animals live for about 100 years.
Okay, very good. You read well. Okay, next. Lakshmi Sanvi.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, read fast. Yes, good evening.
So first not comes.
Yes, now.
We have seen animals with 2 eyes, but we have not seen animals with 3 eyes. Have we? There is strange animals with 3 eyes named
Sphenodon punctatus.
Sphenodon punctatus. It has the shape of a lizard,
Shape
but
of a
the
lizard.
inner shape of a lizard, but the inner state of its body is just the opposite of the tail of a lizard. The animals are found only in the Tavara
Tatwara Islands.
Islands of New Zealand. The strange third eye in the animals is in the shape of a cone. This eye is called the penny eye. It is
Situated in the hole between.
situated in the hole between the head and the neck. It is of no use for the spacehood of this animals. A well-grown male animal begins a kilogram, while the female animal begins a half a kilogram.
Okay.
Weighs half a kilogram. These animals live for above 100 years.
About 100 years. Okay. Okay, you read well. Okay, you read well. Next, all gone. Sai Harshavardhan.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. Yes, yes. Read fastly.
Sir, second, we have seen animals with 2 eyes, but we have not seen animals with 3 eyes. Have we? There is strange animal with 3 eyes named
Sphenodon punctatus.
Punctatus. It has the shape of a lizard, but inner structure of its body is just the opposite of that of a lizard. These animals are found only in Tatwara Islands.
Tatwara Islands of New Zealand. Okay.
The strange third eye in the animals is in the shape of a cone. This eye is called penila eye. It is situated in a hole.
Situated
in a hole between head and the neck. It is of no use of
Sphenodon
of these animals. A well-grown male animal weight is kilogram, while female animal weight is half kilogram. Animals live for 100 years.
Okay, you read well. Okay. I will read once. I will read and I will explain it. So this passage is mainly about animal life, animal species, living creatures. We have seen animals with 2 eyes. Yes, we have seen many animals with 2 eyes. But we have not seen animals with 3 eyes. Have we? They are asking ourselves. We didn't see. Yes. Have we seen? No, we didn't see. But we have not seen animals with 3 eyes. Yes, we didn't see. There is a strange animal with 3 eyes. Yes, they are explaining that there is one strange animal with 3 eyes that was named. That's why they have given comma, and you have to understand the punctuations between the sentences, and you have to understand that brief idea. Means they have given there is a strange animal with 3 eyes named Sphenodon punctatus. So they have given the name. So you have to understand that they have given that the name of that three eyes animal is Penodon punctatus. Okay, you have no name. It has the shape of a lizard. Means it has same. Have you seen the lizards? Have you seen lizards? Yes or no? Say, show your thumb if you seen lizards in your house. Everyone would have seen the lizards because in every house there will be lizards. Yes, near tube lights or near anywhere. Okay, so its shape is same as like lizard, but the inner structure of the body is just opposite of the lizard. Why? Because it has three eyes now. That's why to cover the three eyes means between the next sentence they will give. So that's why its shape will be reversed. These animals are found only in the Tatwara Islands of New Zealand. So they won't find any other places other than Tatwara Islands of New Zealand. So you have to just understand that sentence. No need of remembering and no need of keeping in our mind. Same. So these animals are found only in the Tatwara Islands of New Zealand. So they only in the, so they are mentioned, you have to understand each and every word in the sentence. Each and every word is most important, because if we remove one word, it will change whole sentence. That's why we used to do many mistakes in the passages. Small silly mistakes will come because of these things only. If one word, if you miss in the sentence, or if you understand differently, means that word differently in your mind, the sentence meaning will change. These animals are found only in the sentence makes that only in, means other than Tatwara Islands, we can't see these animals. What's the animal's name? Spenodon punctatus. These are found only in the Tatwara Islands of New Zealand. The strange third eye in the animal is in the shape of cone. Cone means, do you know already? Cone ice cream. You will eat cone ice cream now. Cone shape like this, it will be there. Ice cream shape. Ice cream shape is exactly as cone. So why they have given strange third eye? You didn't see anywhere third eye. So in between head and neck, here it will be there. So you have just heard about the Lord Shiva, the God has third eye here. So, but it is strange for us. If any living creature has third eye, it will be strange. Strange means unknown creature. Means unknown means it feels differently. Means strange thing happened there. Means strange people means new people. We don't know anything. Strange means new one, unknown persons, strange persons, unknown creature, strange creature. The strange third eye in the animals is in the shape of the cone. While reading one time only, you have to understand each and every word perfectly. That's the main idea. This eye is called pineal eye. So what is that eye is called? We will called as third eye, because we don't know the name of third eye in that animal. In which animal? Spenodon punctatus. So the eye is called the pineal eye. It is situated in the hole between the head and neck. Head. This is head and this is neck. In between the hole, there will be hole here for those animals, but we have this. So here there will be eye, third eye. Okay, third eye. So completed. Next, it is of no use for the Spenodon. It has third eye, but it is no use. If we have third eye, what we'll see? If we close our eyes also, we can see what will happening in our surroundings with third eye, means with our visualization. So like that only, but it has also third eye, but it is no use. So have you understood this sentence of you while you are reading? It is of no use for the Spenodon. So when it will be understood, if you read these two sentences properly only, if you understand these two combinedly, it is situated in the hole between the head and the neck. What is it? Wait once. I will ask one person. I will choose one person and I will ask. Simon with, what is it? It means what? First of all, unmute yourself. It means what? First of all, in this sentence, it is of no use for the Spinodon. It means what? So the sentence is starting from here. The whole combination of sentence is starting from this. Eye is called the pineal eye. It is situated in hole between the head and neck. It means pineal eye. What is pineal eye? Third eye. Understood? The strange third eye. Third eye naming pineal eye. And pineal eye is transferred, means to decrease the size of sentences, we use pronouns. First of all, what is it? Could you tell once what is it means? What is the parts of pronoun? Okay, tell Amshini what.
Sir, I.
It means what? Parts of the speech. What's part of speech? It means part of speech. Parts of speech. Now it means noun or pronoun or verb.
Pronoun.
Very good. In this, see, pronoun is what is pronoun? The name used in place of name, in place of noun. So what is noun here? Pineal eye. In place of pineal eye, we are using it. So it is pronoun. Okay. In this sentence only, we can cover all those parts of speech, everything. But the thing is, you have to understand properly. That much deep understanding is required. If you are go on reading, okay, no problem. You can improve speed reading. But the main idea is you can improve speed reading. Okay, very good. And as well as you have to understand the sentences, each and every word in the sentences. Learn that. Learn when you will able to learn this thing, you have to go on reading regularly. Read for half an hour or 1 hour also, no problem. You have to go on reading. So it is of no use for the Spinodon. What is it? Third eye. Third eye is pineal eye. Pineal eye is of no use for the Spinodon. Spinodon means what? Spinodon punctatus was a creature which has 3 eyes. Okay, it has 3 eyes, but it's no use. Means it's same like lizard or same like we the human being. For eyes is in the character of eyes. So it is of no use. Of these animals, a well-grown male animal weighs a kilogram. Means male means what? First of all, masculine gender. Okay, female. So while well-grown. Well-grown means you are also well-grown children, well-educated children. Well means good. Well means perfectly. Well-grown male animals weigh a kilogram, while the female animals weigh half a kilogram. You tell once. I will ask. Who are half a kilogram means what? Anyone can tell. I have asked. I have unmuted everyone. Half a kilogram means what? Tell Amshini.
1/2 kg.
Yes, very good. Yes, yes, you are.
1/2 kg.
1/2 kg.
Yes, you all are gems in mathematics. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yes, you all are gems. Half a kilogram means half kg. Yes, 1/2 kg. Yes, you are good at mathematics because you have practiced well. So you have to improve these passages by reading regularly. You have to read regularly. This animal lives for about 100 years. How many years? 100 years. Okay. The Spinodon punctatus is an ordinary animal seen by us, a lizard-shaped, 3-eyed, strange animal. So wait.
Strange animal.
Don't tell answers. If I ask the questions, now you will tell without seeing the passages. Because we have discussed that much deeply. We have deep dived into that passages. Understood? So if you understand this much deeply in your exam, writing exam daily at your home, you can directly answer as fast as possible. The time also most important. You have to complete as fast as possible. Okay, the Spinodon punctatus is an ordinary animal seen by us, a lizard-shaped 3-eye strange animal, a strange animal which is like a copy of lizard, a strange animal which see with its third eye. So in this only 4 answers are there, but in these 4 answers,
Sir, option 2. A lizard shaped 3-eyed strange animal.
Sir, option
very
2.
good.
Sir, option
Yes.
2. A shape 3-eye strange animal.
Strange animal. Strange means what? Don't speak to strange person. Strange person means if you go outside, the person you don't know, those persons are called strange people. If you go outside, everyone will know for you. Don't know. You don't know now. If you go to market, the surrounding people you know or not, you don't know. So what they are called? Strange, unknown people, strange people. So this also unknown for anyone. So a lizard-shaped 3-eyed strange animal. Okay, very good. Go. We'll go ahead. You will go fast. This animal lives only in the country America, India,
New Zealand.
New
Zealand.
Next, pineal eye is actually okay. Pineal eye is the eye of Sphenodon punctatus, a lizard-shaped.
A hole between the head and the neck. Option 3.
A hole between the head and the neck. Head and the neck.
Hole between the head and the neck, a strange coned.
A hole between the head and the neck. Oh my God, you're shouting.
Yes. The eyes of Sphenodon punctatus are 3 eyes. Not pineal also will come, but remaining 2 eyes also must be included. So first option will not come. A lizard-shaped animal not. Pineal eye is what you told? A hole between the head and the neck. Very good. You are amazing. You are going well. Yes, improved a lot actually. Yes, for Sphenodon punctatus, the third eye is of great use, is of no use.
Is of no use.
Very good. Is of no use.
Option 2.
Is of no use.
Yes, very good. The reason for the male animals weighing more than the female animals is the male animals has the third eye. The male animals takes more food. The male animals is larger in size. The male animals is stronger. Okay, this question somewhat they have asked critically, means they have reversed the passage. For this, we have to deep dive into the passage. Okay, of these animals, a well-grown male animals weighs a kilogram, while the female animals weighs a half kilogram. Well-grown, they have told. That's why we have to see animals of larger size. The reason for the male animals weighing more than the female animal is the male animal has third eye. No, it's wrong answer. The male animals takes in more food. It's wrong answer. The male animals larger in size.
Sir, option 4. Sir, option 3.
Once. It is no use of Sphenodon. Of these animals, a well-grown male animal weighs a kilogram. Well-grown means what? Somewhat in kgs, improved in kgs. We didn't discuss it deeply this sentence. Well-grown. Grown means improved lot, means improved in the size. It may be in the size, it may be in the height, it may be in anything. In this, they are what given. The male animal has third eye. No, it's on option not. The male animal takes
Option 2.
The male animals.
Sir, option 4. Sir, option 4.
Male animals is larger in size. Of these animals, a well-grown male animal weighs a
Sir,
kilo.
option 3. Sir, option 4.
Wait. Okay. This question is of general knowledge. Actually, these type of questions also won't ask in the final exam. That's why I'm telling you, I will discuss. Wait. I will discuss all the previous year question papers. Okay. Wait. 1 minute. 30 seconds. We will discuss all the previous year question papers. so that we can understand how the questions will come, how to approach those questions. Okay. So now see, listen. Once listen here. Weighing more means what? Weighing more means what, first of all? More weight. More weight means what? If you take more food means only we'll get more weight now. Understood? Weighing more means what? Weight ekkunnaru, like this they will call now. How you will get more weight? Yes, if we take more food. Yes, if we take more food, you told option 2 also correct. Option 3 also will, the male animals is larger in size, but these two answers comes. The most important answer is second one. You don't, we can leave this type of questions, no problem. I will. Okay, next we will go for another question, another passage. Okay, what you understood? First of all, you have to understand the question. Okay, the reason for the male animals weighing more than the female animals is the male animals takes in more food. Okay, very good. Second option. And third also will come some simply.
Option 2.
Yes, very good. Okay, we'll go for next passage.
Shall I read next passage?
Yes, go ahead. Wait, I mute all remaining people. Yes, start reading.
Einstein was a great scientist. He had a servant of his own age serving under him as a horse cart driver. The cart driver had a great desire to get felicitated by the public. He revealed his desire to his master. Einstein accepted his request. One day, Einstein received an invitation from a far off town for being felicitated. Both Einstein and his co-driver exchanged their clothes and attended the meeting. The people grandly felicitated the horse cart driver, who was in the guise of Einstein. Put to him several questions without any hesitation, replied, "Do you want me to answer even these simple questions? My cart driver can answer these questions." Einstein, in disgust, answered all the questions. The people wondered how much more knowledge would Einstein have
Yes,
if his cart driver knew so much.
Yes, very good. Yeah, very good. I will give one more pass. Next chance. Yashwant Roshi. Read fastly. Fast.
Einstein was a great scientist. He as a servant of his own age, serving under it as a home cart driver. The cart driver has a great desire to get facilitated by the public. He revealed his desire to his master. Einstein accepted his request. One day, Einstein received an invitation from a far-off town for being facilitated.
Okay, read fast.
Both Einstein and his cart driver exchanged their clothes and attended the meeting. The people facilitated the horse cart driver, who was in the guise of Einstein. Later, they put to him several questions
pertaining to science.
The car driver, without
any hesitation,
replied, "Do you want me to answer even these simple questions? My car driver can answer these questions in
Disguise. Disguise.
Disguise answer all these questions. The people wondered how much more knowledge would Einstein have if his car driver knew so much.
Yes. Okay. Next, I will only read. I will read and I will complete it fastly. Okay, fastly. The Einstein was a great scientist. Scientist means the people who research in the field of science. Means they will invent something in the field of science. Is called scientist. Okay. Einstein was a great scientist. He had a servant of his own age serving under him as a horse cart driver. Means servant means you know already. So the servant, what he will do? He will, in the servant also there are many occupations. In that occupation, he had a servant of his own age. Means if Einstein is 35 years old, that servant also 35 years old. Means same as friends. So own age serving under him as a horse cart driver. Horse cart driver. So in that at that time we used to go on the horse, no? So horse cart driver. So next, the cart driver had a great desire to get felicitated by the public. Means he has a great desire means what? Something to what we'll call? We have a desire to get into Navodaya. We have a desire to read speedily. Means some desires. We'll call means if you have something more want. If you want something, if you are very much interested in something, means you want that. So that's called desire, willing to want. So desire to get felicitated by the public. Means felicitation means they will, you want to get more praisings, means more means public have to, if we praise, if your parents praise you, if you get good marks, or if you get first rank, or if you get if you read speedily, and if you win in the sports matches, your parents will praise now, or in your school also they will facilitate you now. So like that also he has a great desire to get facilitated by the public. He revealed his desire to his master. So who is his master? Einstein. So this desire, what is that? His desire get facilitated by the public. So he revealed that to Einstein. Einstein accepted his request. Means that request was accepted by Einstein. One day, Einstein received an invitation from a far off town for being felicitated. So felicitation means what? In your schools also they will felicitate. Now if you get a good rank, or good first in class, first in games, first in running. So those for that felicitation, for that felicitation, he got invitation. Both Einstein and his cart driver exchanged their clothes and attended the meeting. So that cart driver's dresses was worn by Einstein, and Einstein's dresses were worn by cart driver. They both exchanged their dresses. The people grandly felicitated the horse cart driver who has in the guise of Einstein, means who has in the place of Einstein. How he has wore the dresses of Einstein. That's why you look, means Einstein also used to wear same dresses. Some people will always wear same dress every day. So like Facebook, the man who created Facebook, like Mark Zuckerberg, or some people, great people will be there. They will wear same dress. I will also try to wear one same dress, see, like the same t-shirt. because it will improve, it will make you same consistency. Means if you wore this same dress, you will get the confidence, or you will get the, you will remember that you have to continue this work. Means you have to focus to the goal regularly. Daily you have to practice. If you see the t-shirt, you'll get the feel. So like that only, the great people also try to wear same dress daily. So Einstein dress was worn by his cart driver. So Einstein's cart driver was grandly felicitated in that invitation. Later, they put to him several questions pertaining to science, means related to science. Who was faced those questions? Cart driver. The cart driver, without any hesitation, replied, "Do you want me to answer even these simple questions?" Even these simple questions means to get rid of their questions, means to avoid those. If you tell, means if I ask you one question, if you tell it's very simple question, I can easily, I will tell, means I won't ask again. So, but if you I don't know, you know, or you don't know. But if you tell that it's very simple, you can cover from my question. So do you understood? Later, the car driver, without any hesitation, like that, he replied that, "Do you want me to answer even these simple questions, silly questions?" And like this, he told, and he has escaped from their questions. So my cart driver can answer these. Even my cart driver, even these little LKG, UKG students can say the answer. If you tell like that, means you can escape from your parents or the persons who will ask your questions. So my cart driver can answer these questions. He told like that. Next, Einstein in disguise answered all their questions. Have you understood? In disguise means in the place of cart driver. Means they have exchanged their places now. So Einstein in disguise. Disguise means he is in the place of cart driver. He wore the dresses of cart driver. That's why he simply answered all their questions. Then the people wondered how much more knowledge would Einstein have if his cart driver knew so much. Means if cart driver of Einstein only can tell all those questions, how much Einstein will be talented. So like that, those all people wondered. And here ends the passage. Okay. We'll move to the passage. Okay. I will unmute you all. This is also very interesting passage. Now you can read afterwards also. Have you understood the passage? Yes, I hope you understood the passage. So in this main thing is escaping from those questions, and this very great idea of Einstein and cart driver. They have exchanged everything. Okay. So in some situations, we can escape from everyone like this also by showing our talent. Without knowing also, we can do these things. Einstein. Okay, very good. Einstein, being a great scientist, but wrote good poetry, invented many tunes in music, performed scientific experiments, invented new agriculture methods. So what is the meaning of science?
Scientific experiments.
Yes, in this we can, if we don't know the meaning of scientist also, we can apply our general knowledge. Means in this they have given scientist, scientific, scient, like this you can see. Means you can eliminate, wrote good poetry. So they want to wrote good poetry, invented many tunes in music. No, it's impossible. Invented new agriculture methods also not. Performed scientific experiments, very good. The horse cart driver told Einstein that what is his desire? He told his desire to take him along with him for the purpose of proposed felicitation, or to teach him a scientific matter, or to train him in doing scientific experiments. The horse cart driver told Einstein to take him along with him for the proposed his felicitation or to teach him scientific matters?
Sir, to take him along with him for the proposed felicitation. Sir, to take him along with him for the proposed felicitation.
Anyone in the class? Others? What's your answers? No one is speaking. We have to go through passage. Okay. Hamshini, you have missed. See here. Once we'll read this sentence. Okay, no?
Okay,
Here.
sir.
Yes. Horse-cart driver. So he had a servant of his own age serving under him as a horse-cart driver. The cart driver had a great desire to get felicitated by the public. He had a great desire to get felicitated by the public. He revealed his desire to his master. Einstein accepted his desire. So in this sentences only, in this paragraph only, the answer is there. One day Einstein received an invitation from a far-off town for being felicitated. Both Einstein and his cart driver exchanged their clothes and attended this meeting. The people grandly felicitated the horse cart driver who has in the guise of, means in the place of Einstein. Later they put to him several questions pertaining to science. The cart driver, without any hesitation, replied, "Do you want me to answer even these simple questions? My cart driver can answer these questions." Einstein, in disguise, answered all their questions. The people wondered how much more knowledge would Einstein have in his cart driver knew so much. In this whole passage, have you seen, in this whole passage, have you seen this? The horse cart driver told Einstein to take him along with him for the proposed felicitation. In this whole passage, is there any sentence mentioned on to take him along with, means Einstein to take the cart driver, means to take him along with him, to take him means to take a cart driver along with Einstein for the proposed felicitation, means does he ask the horse cart driver told Einstein that, have you understood? In that passage, nowhere mentioned about to take him along with him for the purpose of felicitation. You got it? This sentence, again I will read sentence, you can. He had a servant of his own age under his horse. In this, not the answer. The cart driver had a great desire to get felicitated by the public. He revealed his desire to his master. Master means Einstein accepted his request. So master is Einstein. So one day Einstein received an invitation from the far off town for being felicitated. So you now see, once if you won't get like this, you can see the options first of all. First, to take him along with him for the proposed felicitation, or to teach him scientific matters, or his wish to train him in doing scientific experiments. So what they have given in this only this answer is there. See, the card had a great desire to get felicitated by the public. Means he has a wish. Desire means what? You had a desire to get seat in Navodaya. You had a desire to get first rank in everything, means in running or in sports or in games, in studies, or you had a desire to ride a bicycle. So means desire means what? Your wish, your wanting something, wanting more to something. So Einstein accepted his desire, means his request. One day Einstein requested an invitation from the far off town and he being felicitated. So in this, see here. So the horse cart driver told Einstein to take him along with him for the proposed felicitation is not mentioned in the passage. From here, actually, that meaning of the passage will start. From where the cart driver has great desire to get felicitated by the public. Okay, it's correct. But he revealed his desire also correct. Okay. But see here, one day Einstein received an invitation from a far off town for being felicitated. Both Einstein and his cart driver exchanged their clothes, but Einstein was not asked by the cart driver. In this also, cart driver didn't ask. The people grandly felicitated horse cart driver. How they have exchanged dresses and he took with him. So that's why to take him along with him for the proposed felicitation. So what is horse cart driver told to Einstein to take him along with him for the proposed felicitation is not. It's wrong. Horse cart driver didn't ask to Einstein to take him for that proposed felicitation. To teach him scientific matters also, he didn't ask. He has one wish. What is, he has that desire to get felicitated from the public. So that's only the horse cart driver told to Einstein his wish. His wish, they have given his wish. That's why you felt somewhat different. So desire means, you have to understand that desire means wish, wanting to something, have it. So answer is his wish. Next, they had exchanged their clothes because the clothes were in torn condition. Torn condition means teared. They wanted to cheat the people of the village, or Einstein wanted to grant the wish of the horse cart driver. So in this second answer also, they have given in third answer, Einstein wanted to grant the wish of the horse cart driver. So these three options are wrong. You can eliminate the answers also. The clothes were torn in condition. No, it's not there in the passage. They wanted to cheat the people. No, they didn't plan to cheat the people. It's also not there in the passage. It was their long and lasting wish. It was. Why not 4?
Sir?
Why not 4?
Sir, the lasting wish not now, sir.
Yes. It was their long and lasting wish. Long and lasting wish means they have mentioned in this their. Their means what? Who will come? Einstein also will come. They.
Yes,
sir. Their. Einstein didn't have wish. Einstein didn't have desire of
wish
of felicitation in public. Only one person has, is this car driver. So that's why Einstein wanted to grant the wish of horse cart driver. It was their long lasting wish. It's not there. Not both wishes. Only car driver wish. That's why Einstein exchanged and went there. Option 3. When the public could put questions to the horse cart driver in the guise of Einstein, means in the place of Einstein, the car driver is there. He gave the replies himself or said He said he did not know the answer, or he said Einstein would give the answer, or he said that his cart driver would give the answer. What's the answer? Is it visible? When the public put questions to the when the public put questions when the public put questions to the horse cart driver in the guise of means in the place of Einstein, they have put questions to the horse cart driver in the place of means horse cart driver is in the place of Einstein only now welfare station.
Yeah.
So what he done? He gave the replies himself, or he said that did not know the answer, or he said Einstein would give the answers, or he said would cart driver would give the answer.
Sir gave the replies himself.
We'll move to the passage. Okay. Later they put to him several questions pertaining to science, related to science. The cart driver, without any hesitation means without any bad feeling, replied them. He replied them, "Do you want me to answer even these simple questions? My cart driver can answer these questions. Even my cart driver can answer these silly questions." Like that, he escaped from those questions.
The passage is not visible.
Now it is visible. Okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
see, when the public put questions to the horse cart driver to guise of Einstein, he said
Option 4, sir.
yes, said that his cart driver would give the answer. Yeah. Very good. Next, the reason for the astonishment of people was astonishment means amazing. They felt very different. The thought that Einstein should possess much more knowledge than his driver, the way the driver replied to their questions, or Einstein coming to their village, Einstein coming in the guise of cart driver.
The thought that Einstein should possess much more knowledge than his driver.
Yes, the thought that Einstein should possess much more knowledge than his driver.
Means
Yes, the people wondered how much more knowledge would Einstein have if his car driver knew so much. Means if car driver know this much, then Einstein how much? Means if you are running a business, let's assume that we'll take your example. If you are running a business, if your car driver knows many things other than the public, means more than the public knows, so what they will feel, you have more knowledge. Means if your car driver knows something this much level, means how much you will know him, the knowledge greater than him only, no? Like that only. Yeah. The people wondered how much more knowledge would Einstein have if his car driver knew so much. If his car driver knew so much, how much then Einstein knows? Means they have felt that Einstein has this much infinite knowledge. Okay, answer is 1. The thought that Einstein should possess much more knowledge than his driver. Driver only told those answers. Who told those answers? Einstein. Einstein is in the place of
car driver.
But they felt that car driver is that much talented, and they thought that they astonished means they are wonderful. Okay. Answer is 1. The thought that Einstein should possess much more knowledge than his driver. Okay. You are improving a lot day by day. Good. Today it took more time. Okay. Very good. Next tomorrow Sir will send message, WhatsApp messages. Okay, what will be the work for you tomorrow? It's moral stories or anything. Okay, I'll end the meeting.